Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Hyundai Palisade and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. And with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you do have any hard contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or any ceramic coating on the lens, you can use tack solution to help remove those contaminants. That way the film is able to tack down to the taillight lens. So first, grab your slip solution, spray it onto the lens. Grab a clean microfiber towel and start removing any contaminants that the taillight may have, and also clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the tint does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And if you do need to clean off the extra contaminants that are still remaining on your lens, you will then just grab your tack solution, spray it onto your microfiber towel to a clean side, and just start removing the contaminants. And then once you're done with the prep, we can start with the installation. So once you finish with the prep, then we can start with the installation. Apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, it's just a one-piece installation. So you would just grab the driver's side piece that matches this design. So it just looks like this. So when it comes to the install, we're going to first start by aligning this section of the film to the edge of the taillight right here. If you're having a hard time moving it, just apply a little bit more slip solution. Whatever you're able to move it around with the amount of slip solution you applied the first time should be enough. So align it just right on the edge right here, and then everything else should fall into place. If you need to adjust it, just adjust it as you go. And now just lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film, just on the edge right here. Tack it back down and apply tack solution on the edge here. Grab your squeegee and start tacking it down to secure it. And remember, just adjust it as you go. It has to be aligned right on the edge. Remove all of the solution underneath the film. Make sure this is secure. That way once we stretch the film, it doesn't slip from the position we tacked it down here. So once you secured this section here, now we need to stretch the bottom section here to reach it to the edge of the taillight right here. So just lift the film carefully. If the film did get dry, just grab your slip solution and apply just a little bit more on the adhesive side of the film and on the lens. That way you're able to move it around. Okay, so just grab it from here, and from the bottom you're just going to stretch. So stretch. That way it covers this section. And then just apply tack solution, that way the film is able to start tacking down. Lift it carefully and tack down as you go. Careful not to crease the film. Take your time right here. You might need to apply just a little bit of heat on this area here. That way we're able to remove the fingers. And then work your way on top, and same process for the top section here. Just stretch it just a little bit to reach to the edge and to help remove these fingers. So when you're stretching on top, that way, just hold it in position. That way the film is able to start molding to the design of the shape of the curve here. And we're also helping remove the fingers that are here. So just hold it for a couple seconds and tack it down as you go. You can apply a little bit of tack solution, that way it starts tacking down. So stretch, hold it a couple seconds, and then tack it down with your squeegee. And then make sure this stays in this position also, because if it doesn't, it will try to go back to its original shape. So we need to make sure this stays tacked down. And in order to remove these fingers, make sure The film is reaching up to the edge right here, so stretch up and down. Just lift carefully and stretch as needed. Make sure this area is dry, that way your hand's able to grip the film. So stretch up and to this side, and now the fingers are removing slowly. You can also apply heat to help remove the fingers. So you use a heat gun or a hair dryer and apply heat around the area you see the fingers. Okay, wrap your microfiber around your squeegee and just start tacking down slowly. Hold it for a couple seconds and you should be good. That's pretty much it. So if you need to readjust it, you can. Just apply a little bit of slip solution, that way you're able to stretch the film going down. So apply slip solution, stretch down, and then this way to help remove the finger that we had here. So it should be like this. And now just hold it, grab your squeegee, and start tacking down to secure it. To remove the fingers that are here, just apply a little bit of tack solution. Just break them down, that way they're smaller, so separate them as much as you can. And then grab your heat device and apply heat. It's a little tedious on this part, but just break down the fingers, apply heat, wrap your microfiber towel on your squeegee, just like that, and then start being flat. So you kind of have to read the fingers and split them up, make the bigger fingers smaller, and that's pretty much it. Go around, double check and see if you have any remaining fingers. If you do, just apply a little bit of heat, tack solution with your microfiber wrapped around your squeegee at an angle, that way you don't crease the film. Hold it in position for a couple seconds and you should be good. Okay, and the last thing to do once you finish with the install for the tail light is to post heat. So once you finish with the installation for the tail light tint, the last thing to do is to post heat the lens. So to post heat, just apply tack solution throughout the entire tail light. Grab your heat device, use the lowest setting on your device, and apply heat evenly throughout the entire lens. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and also just help tack down any fingers or any edges that are still lifting. Take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the Hyundai Palisade. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.